Yep, you're gonna say the F word twice. That's why it's called ff15.
So day 2.
Here's just
this
some of the stuff that's all screwed up on it.
pretty loose. The other one's tight. So it looks like I gotta take the panel off, and there's some bolts and tighten her down. Well, that's why it's loose. Apparently it's supposed to be welded. Huh. I got self-tapper in there. Freaking. Jeez, what a deal, huh? Where to get that panel off? I'm gonna freaking take this cab hell off. So I'm debating whether to cut a big hole in here, you know, about an inch, so you can see there. Put 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts in there, access through that one hole, or you gotta take it all off, which would probably be the right thing to do, but I gotta do that when I get home next time. So yeah, have a good one. We'll see you. So I don't know who did that, the factory. You think the factory would put self-tapping screws in there? I mean, that's disgusting. I mean, who the heck would do that? That's the hinges for that one panel. Self-tappers. There it is. Look, kind of wondering why the panel was fitting really weird. Apparently some rock got stuck in there. Pry it out of there. So we discovered that we got that crack. Already fixed a couple in there. I see the crack kind of goes on. And it might not work. Can't get a very good angle in there. Well, we'll get it. Well, I wound up melting some of that glue stick in there. Perfect. So this door latch, I know they didn't do this at the factory. It had to have been the importer do all this, and they did a really terrible job. When I get back, I'm gonna have to fix that, put a better bolt in there, and fill up that hole, and make that work.